Here's how to use TurboTax for W-2 filing, step by step. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return you want to work on. Once your return is open, go to the Federal section, then Income, and find Wages and Salaries marked as W-2. Select Review or Continue Filing to begin entering your W-2 details. TurboTax will then give you a few ways to add the form. You can enter your employer's EIN and see whether the form can be imported automatically. If you prefer, you can upload a copy of the W-2, snap a photo of it, or type the information in manually. Use whichever option matches the form you have available. If you are entering the form by hand, move through the Employer section carefully. Fill in your employer's EIN, business name, address, and any other required employer information exactly the way it appears on the W-2. This part needs to match the form line for line, so it is worth pausing to compare each field before moving forward. Next, complete the employee wage and tax details from the W-2. Enter the wages, tips, and other compensation, then add the federal income tax withheld. Continue with the Social Security wages and tax, along with the Medicare wages and tax. If your form includes entries in box 12, enter each code and amount exactly as shown. If there are any boxes checked in box 13, make sure those checkboxes match your paper or digital form. Then enter anything listed in box 14, followed by any state and local wage or withholding information that applies. As you go, keep your W-2 visible so you can compare each amount and code directly with what you enter in TurboTax. A common place for mistakes is box 12 or state and local sections, especially when there are multiple codes or more than one line of withholding. The goal is an exact match, not a rounded estimate or a quick approximation. Once the information is entered, review everything on the screen against the W-2 form one more time. Confirm that the employer information is correct, the wages and withholding amounts match, and every code, checkbox, and tax line has been copied exactly. If something looks off, correct it before continuing. When the form is complete, click Continue to save that W-2. If you worked for more than one employer and have another W-2 to enter, select Add another W-2 and repeat the same process for the next form. After all of your W-2 forms have been entered and saved, continue through the rest of your tax return. Move on to any remaining income sections, then deductions, credits, and the final review before you file. Your W-2 information is now entered in TurboTax and saved as part of your tax return.